So, hi friends, today we'll be discussing one of the simple concepts in C language, that is conditional operator. Okay, as we have discussed in our recent programs, suppose if we have some conditions, let us say int a equal to 3, int b equal to 5. Okay, so I want to print a if a is greater than b. Okay, I want to print b if b is greater than a. Okay, so now we have given int a equal to 3 and int b equal to 5. Okay, generally we need to take the values through user input, in the sense by using scanf, but for making it to look simple, directly I have assigned int a equal to 3, int b equal to 5. Okay, so today I need to print the biggest number. Okay, so what is the logic here? To print biggest number of two numbers. Okay, what I'm using the concept if condition. Okay, you can use if else condition or you can even use else if condition, that doesn't matter. Okay, so now we'll be running the program. Okay, so in this way we are able to print the biggest number using if condition. Okay, for more clarity you can refer my previous videos. Okay, so the same thing I can achieve using condition operator. Okay, if you see here I am getting my output as 5 by using two cases, that is if greater than b and if less than b. Okay, in C language two things are very important. Okay, one is the number of lines of code you write, and the one more thing is how much time it is taking for getting the output. Okay, so the first one is called space complexity, in the sense like always you need to write your C program in minimum number of lines of code. Okay, you need to write a C program with minimum number of lines of code, that is called space complexity. Okay, which you'll be learning in later classes. Okay, right now just you need to concentrate how to get the output. Okay, and the second thing is called time complexity. Time complexity in the sense how to get the output in the least time. Okay, so always as a C programmer or as a software engineer, you need to put two things in your mind. You need to write a program, that is called the best way of programming. Okay, so you need to write a program with minimum number lines of code, and at the same time you need to take the less time to fetch the output. Okay, so if you see here I am using two situations with condition, with printf statement, everything. Okay, so here I can write the same code just in one line with the conditional operator. So that is why we'll be using condition operator. Okay, so what is the syntax? Let us say. Okay, so here I am taking int c. Okay, int c equal to, okay, so if a greater than b. Okay, so if a greater than b. Okay, so here I am putting question mark in conditional operator, in the sense here the situations are starting. Okay, from question mark the situations will be starting. Okay, so if this condition is met, then the next, okay, then the next thing need to be executed. Okay, I'll be writing the entire syntax. Okay, so if you remember here, okay, so what I'm trying to tell is the same. If a greater than b, I'm rewriting if a greater than b here. Okay, so if this condition is met, then immediately what is present in between question mark and the colon need to be get executed. Okay, if this condition is not met, then whatever present between next to colon and between semicolon need to be executed. Okay, for you to make you understand more clarity, okay, int c equal to, this is the condition. Okay, so this is the condition. If this condition is met, Okay, so this statement gets executed if condition is true. Okay, colon, this statement gets executed if condition is false. Okay, got it? Okay, no need to remember or no need to get confused, nothing. Just I'm converting these lines of code into one statement with the help of question mark and colon. Okay, same condition I'm putting here, same condition, question mark. Okay, this statement I'm converting into a. Okay, and okay, so let us say here I want to put the same statement here. Okay, so printf, I'll be removing this one. Okay, and if this condition is met, then this will be printed. Okay, if this condition fails, then this statement will be executed. Okay, now let us see what output will be getting. Okay, I'll be removing this one. Okay, so int a equal to 3 and b equal to 5. If a greater than b, obviously a need to get printed. If this condition fails, then b need to get printed. Okay, so now let us see the output. Run 5. Okay, now I'll be changing the numbers. This is 31. Okay, so now run. Sure, printing 31. Okay, so this is a beautiful concept behind conditional operator. Okay, you can achieve the same thing using if statement or if else or else if. But if you see here, just see, I am using only single line of code instead of all those multi lines. Okay, this helps me in consuming less memory. Have any doubts? Please ask in the comment section and subscribe to my channel.